what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another cooking video. For today we actually gonna cook breakfast, which is the most important meal of the day, as we know. I just want to share my breakfast that I've been eating for over, I think, 4 years already. Most of the days this is what I eat. Maybe once a week I eat like the classic breakfast, egg and toast, but other days I always eat oatmeal because it's healthy, it's good for my body, it's good for my baby because she is breastfeeding still. She's still breastfed. And yeah, today we are filming together because she's awake, daddy's not home, so we don't have a babysitter. Hi gatita. So yeah, as you know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, at least in my life. I know there's some people not even eating breakfast, but yeah, if you don't know still, breakfast should be healthy, and oatmeal, even by the doctors, is the best breakfast you can have. All that eggs and toast and bacon and what else people not eating in the breakfast is very unhealthy, especially if you eat every day that kind of breakfast. Today's video is gonna be very fun. Very fun. Chiki. My baby is also eating this breakfast, of course without the seeds and all, but she's eating the same thing and she really loves it. So a good option also for moms with babies, so try it. And yeah, another thing I wanted to mention, so much to mention, I hate oatmeal in general. It's one of those foods like bananas, avocados, I cannot eat them on its own. It's like, ugh, not very nice. So I always need to add something, and this oatmeal I've made in so many ways for so many years, and I finally made it the final way, like I really can eat it and I like it and I enjoy it, and it's very healthy. It's like so healthy, you cannot even imagine. Everything you will put inside is healthy, so it's good. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoy this video. Let's make our breakfast. It's actually lunch, but okay, let's do it. So let's show them what we're gonna need. Yeah, so you will need some milk. I always use almond milk. Then of course you're gonna need oatmeal. I use the rolled oats. You can use whatever you want. And also, please guys, if you are making oatmeal at home, never make it instant way, like put water on top of it and putting in microwave, because it is like so unhealthy. Like guys, get rid of that microwave. You're gonna need some peanut butter. You can use whatever you want. Sometimes I put this Lotus biscuit crunchy spread, like 1 spoon. You can put whatever you like, but usually I put peanut butter because Penny really likes with peanut butter, and actually that's the only way how she can eat the oatmeal, otherwise she will not eat it. Then we're gonna need a ripe banana. Then we're gonna need some seeds. I usually put sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds. And you can top it off with some berries. I have here blueberries and strawberries. So yeah, let's begin. I'm gonna take a small pot. This is my oatmeal pot. I always cook the pot. The oatmeal, I mean. We're gonna put it here. And I don't know the measures. I just put on my eye how much I want. Usually it's about like this much of milk. And make sure you cook the oatmeal on a low fire because it can burn very fast. And the oatmeal also I put just by the eye. I don't know, maybe like 4-5 tablespoons, maybe 4. Yeah, 4 or 3 even, if I cook for me and Penny. And we just let it cook until it starts to cook. Until that we can just prepare our berries. Yum, blueberries, yeah? No blueberries. And no strawberries. Don't forget to stir it. And I'm gonna chop the berries, these blueberries in half, because for Penny, she obviously cannot eat a full blueberry, so I always chop them in half. Yum. Yum. You want more? You want strawberry? Yum. And I'm gonna take the bowl where we're gonna eat the oatmeal, and we're just gonna mash the banana in the bowl. Exactly. And we're just gonna like mash it with the fork. That's why it needs to be like really ripe, because the more it's ripe, the easier it's gonna be to mash it. If the banana is very raw, hope you can hear me. If the banana is very raw, this is gonna be very hard. Plus, it will not have that nice sweetness. And yeah, actually that's why I put banana, because it's like a natural sweetener to the oatmeal. And when the oatmeal is like about like this, actually you can make it as wet or dry you want, just add or more or less milk. Oh my god, what happened? Too much clothes. And about this time I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon of the peanut butter, so it mixes nicely and melts inside the oatmeal. Ah, hello. Hello. Yes, Penny's phone? Okay. Penny, they wanna talk to you. Your friends wanna talk to you. Hello. Hello. Just mix the peanut butter inside the oatmeal. And then when the oatmeal is done, we just put in the bowl with the banana. Like this. And we're just gonna mix that all together with the banana. Okay, then we're gonna put the seeds. I'm gonna put just a little bit of chia seeds because the peanut butter already has seeds, chia seeds, so no need too much. And chia seeds is actually a nature's omega-3, so it's very healthy. Pumpkin seeds for breastfeeding, and for sure for other stuff. I will leave it on the side what's good for it, because I honestly don't remember everything. I'm not a nutritionist. Wish I was actually. And yeah, then we're gonna put our berries. Boom, 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 chicka boom, boom, boom. Like this, blueberries. And yes, that's about it. It's very easy, very fast, very healthy. I don't know what you're waiting for. Go and make your breakfast. So yeah, our oatmeal is ready to enjoy. Hope you guys really gonna try it. If you are not an oatmeal person, still try it, because even I in general don't like oatmeal, but this is the only way I can eat it, and I mostly eat it because it's really good for you, very healthy. Hope you guys gonna enjoy this bowl of oatmeal. You can mix and match whatever seeds you want, whatever fruits you want. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Push thumbs up if you like it, if you're gonna try it, and let me know in the comments section what you would like to see in next. And also let me know, did you like this oatmeal, and do you eat oatmeal, and what do you eat actually for breakfast? I'm very interested. So yeah, guys, hope to see you next Sunday on my next video. Bye. Penny, say bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye guys. Mom, we're going to mom. Mom. Blueberries. Mama. Yes, you like it, yeah? Let's go eat on the table, yeah? Earlier that day. What else mommy wanted to say? Mama. I just wanted to mention that So yeah, as you know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. By the way, I wanted to also mention mom. And yeah, there you go. And yes, and yes, and yes, and yes, and yes. How many times? How